So, Sheikh, one question we get all the time is, can jinn fall in love with humans?
Yeah, interaction. We've seen it in life experience, away from the hadith and all that. Yes, they fall in love, opposite gender, and they have male with the male jinn with a female human. And what I notice mostly, and this is for our sisters, that the attraction through reflection in the mirror in their bedroom is the most effective reason that jinn
SubhanAllah.
are attracted to our sisters. And Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen mentioned that once, and I read it, and I never knew why, till I asked some magicians and some jinn when I read on certain people, and they said it's the easiest attraction, and that reflection of a mirror, they are able to get that connection. So I tell my sisters all the time, if you have a mirror in your bedroom, do not make it face your bed. Okay, say Bismillah before you look at it. Even before you take your clothes off in your room. Brothers nowadays, but even brothers, go into the bathroom taking selfie naked.
A'udhu billah.
Leave the awrah part on the side. This fiqh issue that we talk about is not allowed. But you're taking half of your body showing. You're wearing very short shorts, like you always call it the Bay Area shorts. Okay, but subhanallah, you're standing like this in the bathroom. That's the place of the shaytan.
A'udhu billah.
This brother, if he gets possessed by jinn, then don't blame anyone but yourself.
Subhanallah.
Get attracted to. Just imagine, Rasulullah sallam قال في الحديث إن بين أعين الجن وبني آدم أن يقول اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الخبث والخبائث. In the bathroom. So let's say someone goes in, and you know how brothers nowadays, even sisters, they posting pictures right now. That's crazy. Showing your makeup, but brothers mainly. Why would you show your body, your awrah that is exposed, but also the effect, the jinn could fall in love? Yes, and falling in love could cause you a lot of harm.
SubhanAllah.
One of the harms, as we're talking about openly, there's nothing to be shy of in our deen, is having recurrent wet dreams in your sleep. That's a jinn gaining enjoyment, and you don't feel it, but they feel it. A person sees himself as if he's having a sexual relation in his dream. He wakes up wet, he has to take a shower, and goes on with life thinking nothing happened, just a dream. No, it's not just a dream. It could be a jinn who's falling in love, and they practice this action with you in a dream. They are getting enjoyment, and you don't feel it.